Huawei just confirmed the launch date for its Mate 50 series. Huawei Mate 50 series is no doubt going to be one of the best flagship series Huawei ever made, and here looks like we've got something really crispy to talk about. Till now we have seen only some official renders of Mate 50 series, but today finally we have the official teaser to talk about. Here you can see the official teaser of Huawei Mate 50 series, which was surfaced online today, and here in the teaser a golden circular ring is coming out of mountains, which is clearly indicating something really curious. And what we can see here from translating the text is launch date. Yes, the launch date, and it is finally confirmed. Huawei Mate 50 series is going to be launched on 6th of September, a day before the Apple launch. In earlier leaks, we had rumors that Huawei might be launching its new flagship series on 7th of September, which was obviously gonna cause a clash. But now as this teaser is speaking itself, so no more doubts on launch date. Now if you have been following this channel, you might already know what's going to be in these phones. All the specs. But if you don't, then let me explain a bit. There will be 4 phones in this Mate 50 series. Mate 50e, a vanilla Mate 50, Mate 50 Pro, and the most high-end variant Mate 50 RS. The main key selling point of this series is going to be cameras. On Mate 50 Pro and 50 RS, we can expect IMX800 from Sony, while on Mate 50 vanilla variant, IMX766 can be expected. The Pro variants will have 50 megapixel resolution as per this spec sheet. There will be a 13 megapixel selfie shooter. Rest of the specs you can see from this spec sheet. All of these Mate 50, Mate 50 Pro and 50 RS will have AMOLED displays made by BOE, and there will be 90Hz refresh rate for Mate 50e and Mate 50, while 120Hz refresh rate with LTPO panels for Pro and RS variants. So that's all for Huawei Mate 50 series. Be ready for 6th September, and if you're new here, then subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.